Hey, welcome to another Blocks Builder video. And this particular video is going to be kind of like a part 2 from our previous video called Primary and Secondary Sticky Navigation. And so a couple of, I guess, issues have come up with my solution, in that how do we handle drop-down menus, and also maybe problems where your secondary sticky is not sticking, like for this example here, and it continues to scroll off the page. So we're going to look at this one here first that scrolls off the page where it's not applying the sticky. Now the reason why this happens, if we inspect this page and we come up here to a div called page container, we'll see on the right hand side here this page container has a style called overflow hidden. Now overflow hidden is a style that can affect the Bootstrap sticky classes. So what we're going to do in our situation, if you have trouble with your sticky not applying, is we're going to put another class called page container and set the overflow to unset. So we can do that in our page header. I'm going to just add that in here. Page container, curly brackets, overflow, unset, and I'm going to add important, exclamation mark important. Okay, so now if we go and preview our page again, we'll find that our sticky top class has not applied, which means I've probably done a typo here. And I have another dot there. So there we go. Page container overflow unset important. This time it should work. There we go. Our sticky class is now working as intended. The other thing, as I mentioned, is drop-down menus. And you can see this kind of effect that's going to happen with drop-down menus. And that's because our primary navbar in Blocks sets that to a Z index of 1000, I think it is. If we go and have a quick look. There we go, our sticky nav sticky, a Z index of 1000. And our secondary nav, the sticky top class, adds a Z index of 1020. So what we can do to fix this is actually our secondary navigation, we can actually make it one Z index level below our top nav. So if this is 1000, we can make this one 999 instead of 1020. So we can go back to our page header, and we already have the class in here, sticky top, position, sticky important, and another style here, Z index 999. Let's preview that. So we've got our sticky secondary navigation, and we have our top drop-down menus appear over our secondary nav. So there you go, there's 2 solutions if you've been having trouble with those things. Okay, have a great day.